So hi guys, today we are going to replace the king, the king mold and the pawn mold of this chess piece. I lost the king and the pawn, so we are going to replace them using epoxy resin. So I have prepared the epoxy resin, as you can see here. This is the epoxy resin and the hardener. So we are going to pour some here. Then we take our white pigment. As you can see, this is a white pigment. This is a white pigment. So I'll put it there. Add some. We take a stirring stick and we mix. So we're going to mix them slowly. So ensure you have weared safety gadgets such as the mask and the gloves to avoid sniffing the pigment. So we mix it. Stir slowly for about 2 minutes. Stir. After that, see the pigment is pure white. It has mixed well. So we shall use some golden flakes so that the piece can match this one. This is the other piece, so they must be the same color. Now I'll take a spoon and scoop some. So I put here. Don't take much, take small. Then you stir. You mix them properly, slowly. As you can see, it is mixed well. After you mix well, now it's time for pouring the resin. So after we have mixed, and it's time for pouring. Start pouring. So after we finish with the king, now it's the pawn. Now we pour in the pawn. So you first click here to ensure there's no air bubble. After you finish that, now you pour. Fill it. So there you have your chess pieces, the king and the pawn. Now you wait for 24 hours, they dry. This is the pawn, this is the king. So we shall also finish this one.